So guys, we're gonna play Minecraft mag-house tour tayo. So this is my first house. It's small but terrible. We're gonna going to sa ubos and open the door. And we're gonna go to my swimming pool. Yan, swimming tayo. And we're going to my second house. Yan, that's my second house. Oh, may kambing pa. So, we're gonna, yan, akyat tayo sa aking second house. May butas pa yan. Puwasok tayo and tingnan natin yung cheese. Madaming laman, guys. Kuha. Yan. Gibain natin yung blocks and we're gonna put in the cheese. O, nakuha ko yung damit and we're gonna balik. Then, we're going to the labas. That's my swimming pool. Close the door natin and let's go swimming. Swimming. And let's go to my third house. And that's Oling store. We're going to my third house. Open the gate now, guys. And let's open the door. This is my upstairs, guys. Small naman siya. So, it's so cute for one lang, diba? Pang one na tao, yan, napindot ko pa yung, basta. Baba tayo, guys, and we're going to my fourth house. Close the door, and close the gate. So, we're going to my fourth house. This is the last one house. So, yan, just open the door, and that's my sala or kusina, I don't know, my TV. Let's own the TV, and let's go. This is a black wall, guys. I don't know where putting. Then let's sit, and yeah, it's so simple. My fourth house is so simple. And tingnan ko man, and we're going to my kwarto, and nakuha ko yung espada na hindi ko siya na and then close the door, my character, and whatever. And I forgot it, the black hole is hindi ko nilagay. So, kaya muna tayo ng golden apple. Yan, bukas ulit kasi yung black hole hindi ko nalagay sa cheese ko. Yan, lagay na natin. So, close the door ulit tayo, guys, kasi punta tayo sa store ni Aling Suling. There's two store in my village. This is Aling Suling store, guys. Then open the gate and gate na naman for store. So, yan, guys, so many armors and we have a golden apple in here, guys. There's so many. And we're gonna open the cheese, guys. Oh my god, there's so many armors. So, we're gonna close the gate, guys, cause we're going to Aling Uling store, guys. Napakalayo talaga ng store ni Aling Uling. So, lakbay na lang tayo. Yan, that's Aling Uling store. So, ito lang yung mga store ko kasi pakaliit pa yung village ko. So, malapit na tayo sa store ni Aling Uling. Yan, may may nakalagay pa na Aling Uling store. Palud na dito. Then, magpasok na tayo sa store ni Aling Uling. Yan, napakadaming mga armor din. Hindi ko alam anong tawag yan. May golden apple din. So, yan, guys. Napakadami talagang mga paninda ni Aling Uling at Aling Suling. So, dito man na matatapos ang aking video kasi malit pa yung village ko. And soon, my village is malaki na siya, guys. And we join my friend, guys. And at sana nagandahan kayo sa aking video and rate kayo kung sino pinakamagandang house and store. Bye! Love you. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye. See you again in my next video.